Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is, what's today? Is today Taco Tuesday? Oh, I thought it was Taco Tuesday. That's fat. Anyway, drinking out some wine, decided to cook today. I've been slacking though, been eating out and all that. But I've been wanting to make yakisoba. So I couldn't find the noodles for a long time, but I finally found them. So that's what we're gonna do today. Stay tuned. Oh my god, you're like seriously stressing.
Why are you looking at me?
Huh?
Why are you showing me? Ew.
I got some yakisoba noodles right here. Some broccoli, soy sauce, carrots, and some steak. Thin steak. You can add whatever you want. I'm just adding whatever I want. So what I'm gonna do is dice up my steak and I'm gonna put these in water, like rinse them out. I'm not gonna put them in the microwave, it says to, but so yeah, let's get started. Alright you guys, so I got my noodles rinsed off here. My meat is diced up. I got my wok is nice and hot. So we're gonna go ahead and throw our meat in there. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Not too much because I'm gonna add soy sauce and I don't want it salty. So we're gonna go ahead and let this brown. Alright, my meat is pretty much done. What I like about these noodles is that I didn't have to boil them or nothing. Pretty much just run them through water. They're already cooked, so this is like the easiest thing. Throw these in there. Stir that around. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is throw my carrots in there. Yeah, I'm using a baby bowl. And my broccoli. And I'm gonna stir this all up. I go crazy on the broccoli because that's my favorite. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder. I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit so my broccoli and my carrots can get nice and soft. I'm gonna add my soy sauce. You can add as much as you want. Not too much. And that's it, guys. Pretty much just let it cook all together. Easy and simple, right? Pair this up with some egg rolls or some dumplings. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so this is already almost done. My vegetables are getting nice and soft. I found this sesame seed oil that I found in my pantry when I make fried rice, so I'm going to add a little bit of that, not too much. I think we're about done. Alright you guys, this is what we got. So this is steak yakisoba. I like to put some chili paste on there, or eat it with some pot stickers. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video.